So we are on Wonder of the Seas. It is Royal Caribbean's currently largest cruise ship, and we are in an interior promenade room. This is room number 7593. Again, it is an interior promenade, so we don't have a balcony, but we do have a little sitting nook and a window overlooking the promenade area of the ship. So as you can see, this is the entirety of the room, but I will take you on a little walkabout so you can see everything that's in the room. So when you first enter, this is the doorway. It actually opens outward rather than inward. So again, making the most of all the space. And then for lighting, in order for you to control the lighting and air conditioning, you have to put a CPAS card in. So that is CPAS card. Brandon, when we make this video, please make sure to edit out my crown and anchor number off my card. Thank you. All right, this is the bathroom. So again, it's a little raised up, so you have to be careful. That's why it's got that little trip hazard guy there. Make sure you do. Right beside that door is the heating and air conditioning controls and the lights in the bathroom. So I will walk in the bathroom really quickly. It is clean. We haven't used it yet. Just got here. All right, here we go. This is a shower. It's actually a nice size. Although the bathroom is quite compact, it is a nice size shower. It does come with like an all-in-one shampoo and body wash, Sea Breeze. Right off to the side, there's the toilet area, and then you have shelving all throughout. There's a nice little side sink and shelving on the bottom. So again, bathroom, cute, quaint, nothing to write home about. There are outlets up above if you need to plug in like your flat iron, hair curlers, or your shaver. All right, so that's the bathroom. Moving right along into like the seating area, which also has built-in cabinetry for your closets and other storage items. So this is the first cabinet, which will hold all of your longer item clothing. So there's two racks here for hanging your items. My coat is just very long. Again, it's December and should not be as cold as it is in Florida today, but we're here during a cute little winter storm that's going across the country. So let's see, I don't know what that is. A little piece of dust. Okay, this is the couch. Cute pillows. Very pretty art. Simple, understated, does what it's supposed to do. Interesting carpeting. Looks like rocks and then into sand, which is actually cute. It's blue themed. This is our desk area where, you know, again, you do your makeup. There's some shelving for you to put everything up. Then there are outlets, 1, 2, 3 American style outlets, 2 European style outlets, the switch for lighting up the mirror, and 2 USB ports. Again, those are my shoes. Put along. My husband already had a plate of pizza, so you can see where he's been. So there's this dresser area, which again, of course, perfect for all the storage items you need. You can open each one of the drawers, and then in that cabinet there is the cooler. So open that up so you're able to see that there is a little mini cooler. So it's not actual fridge, it's just a cooler. We'll just keep your items cool, not cold like a regular refrigerator, but does the trick when you're in here. The other cabinet area and shelving. Again, more hanger space. And then you have 2 drawers underneath. Two twins that are pushed together to convert to a king size bed. Does what it needs to do. Nice full length mirror. No room is complete without its full length mirror. Then they have little hanging hooks underneath the TV for items that you need to hang. And then an actually decent size. Like, this is a very decently sized flat screen TV in your room. Not a ton of, you know, television stations, of course, because you'll be at sea and there's not the greatest connectivity, although this ship does have Starlink. So the internet that is available for purchase on the ship does run a lot faster than just regular internet without having the Starlink boost. So that is another plus about this ship. Each side of the bed has a cute little side table, cute little lamp. Let's see, there's switches for the lamps on both sides of the bed, I believe. The lamp also has one spot for your plug, American style, and one USB port. But again, little shelving. You can put some cute little stuff in there. Little toiletries and knickknacks. Phone on this side. The phone also has an additional USB port if you need some additional charging capability. And then here is that little reading nook I told you about. Cute little seating area. Sorry, excuse our junk. And my husband is lounging. Say hi, Brandon. And then outside of these windows, we're actually right across from Spotlight Karaoke, which is going to be fun, and also up above a Starbucks. So, you know, cute, good location. We'll get to see the balloon drop tonight right from our windows. Don't even have to be down there in the crowd. And these windows have a set of shears and then also a set of blackout curtains. So again, the lights that are on all night won't bother us because we get to close these windows off. So that's it. That was a quick tour of Wonder of the Seas, interior promenade room 7593.